be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Sorry na sila yung momentum. Kasi ang drama, te. Ayusin mo yan. Di ka pala kita. Silhouette yar.
Okay, let's get back to the video.
Maybe I'm not sure, so why don't you change my mind? 'Cause baby I'm not sure, but let's take a chance this time. And I can't remember the last time I saw you cry. I don't wanna do it, I had to, you know it. I hate when we say goodbye.
Welcome to IKEA.
'Cause I'm coming back around. You know I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know I'll do anything to come and see ya. You know I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me.
Ang cute na lagay ng cake ko. 690. Happy birthday.
It's already winter, and I'm starting to forget the smell of